Hello friends, RVD here, only with a different mood. I'm not here today for sharing an academic video or a lecture on my subject, but I'm starting a new segment that is People with Passion. I found out that many of my acquaintances, like my students, my friends, my colleagues, they have a lot of passion in them, and being in their current domain also, they are successfully nurturing their passion. So I thought I'll be really happy to present some of these people with passion in front of you. We'll be having them with us, sharing their journey of life, sharing their experiences, and we can even ask for a small performance for our entertainment. So to start with, the first person I'll be inviting today is, I'm very happy and very proud to invite my own student, Aniruddha Ingade. Now Aniruddha, or as people call him Annie, even I started calling him Annie. He is my engineering student. He has completed engineering recently, and I know him from more than 4 years now. He used to be a very good, academically sound, sincere, polite, and a very goody student as such. He always used to be very respectful with the teachers. In the beginning of the current year, I watched him performing live on a stage, and that to a hip hop or a rap song. It was a shock of my life that Aniruddha is performing a hip hop song. And that was the point where Aniruddha became Annie for me. Later on, I understood that Aniruddha or Annie has started nurturing his passion for hip hop song during the engineering only, and he has really worked excellently well in coming up to this level. His performance was excellent. So maybe I thought that I'll be happy to invite him as my first guest or first person with the People with Passion segment. Okay, so let's hear it from Annie. Over to you, Annie.
So hi guys, my name is Aniruddha Ingade. I was a student for computer engineering with sir for I think more than 3 semesters, and sir was also my final year project guide. And one of the things that I would like to say about sir is that it was not just about academics. He inspired us to pursue many things other than academics, like performing on stage and pursuing non-academic pursuits like music, all of that. And before talking about me or talking about sir or anything, I would just like to jump right into it and give you a small verse that I really like. जिंदगी जिंदगी बस जीना, जिंदगी जिंदगी बस जीना, जिंदगी जिंदगी बस जीना, खुशी के प्याले से घूट तू भी पीना. नाही ओढत लाईन कारण त्याने मरीन, कर्माची फाईन मी श्रमाने भरीन, सुटलेल्या स्वप्नांना स्वयं धरीन. अरे पडलो तरी चालणार पण उडून पडीन, मन लावल्याने सर्व काही घडतं, पण आभाळात जगताना लक्ष असू दे, जे जितकं वर चढतं ते तितक्या जोरात पडतं, पण मनात अहंकार नसू दे. वो कल ही सीखा मैंने ये सब ना, जब मन में चीखा मेरा एक सपना, संभाल उसको जो है अपना, ऊपर अकेले तब जाना जब बुलाएगा रब ना. ए
Truly
बस
great.
जीना, जिंदगी जिंदगी बस जीना, जिंदगी जिंदगी बस जीना, खुशी के प्याले से घूट तू भी पीना.
Thanks, Annie, for such a wonderful start. So now I guess we can go ahead with some question answers, because we would like to know about you, about your journey. Okay, so the first and very obvious question that everyone would like to know is, who exactly do you think is your inspiration for this hip hop?
Oh, that's a good question. Well, my inspiration in hip hop is not really an artist or a person, it's the art form itself, because ever since I was a kid I found that I had a skill with words. I had the ability to tell a story, but I couldn't sing. Playing a musical instrument was a big, like, investment. I just heard about hip hop. All you had to do was put down your words, find rhythm, and then lay it on the beat. So yeah, it's the art form that I love more than anybody else, and it's the art form that I look up to.
And you always wanted to be a rapper from the beginning, or your journey started with some other form like poetry or so?
You're absolutely right, actually. Before rap or hip hop, it was all about poetry for me because I've always felt that poetry takes language that is mundane and everyday world language and makes it ethereal. It puts it out of this world. You can talk about the stars, the moon. Your love can be as distant as the moon, your anguish as deep as the ocean. So yeah, my love is for the words, for the poetry. The expression is through hip hop, the expression is through rap. It's called देख देख सब सीख लिया. देख देख सब सीख लिया. होते थे बड़े सपने पर बचपन न बीत गया. कागज पर लिखी कहानी ख्वाबों के स्याही से. किस्मत ना बरसी पर फिर भी कागज वो भीग गया पसीने से. जानवरों के सभ्यता में जीने से तो बेहतर है कि मैं अपने गानों में जी लूं. हाँ, बस कर मौत का कश मैं भी पी लूं.
Yes, now a kind of opinion based question. What do you dislike about the current hip hop scene?
Commenting on the hip hop scene, I don't think is really my place because I'm still a student of the art form. But the one thing that stands out for me is that nowadays, or as long as I have studied hip hop, like as deep as I've gone into the history of hip hop, the message has been that you have to break the system to beat the system. But I don't really look at it that way because the people that I see around me, people that are successful, like for you example sir, and my parents, all of these people have risen to a power or risen to a position of power within the system that they've been able to make sustainable changes. So yeah, I think that's the problem right now, that we have to tell the youth that do it differently, but get to a position of power that the difference reaches more people. And with technology and time management and organization, you can do so many things nowadays. And I strongly believe that specialization is for insects. Like an ant for its entire period of life does task A. The humans can do so much more. Us as humans, us as people can do so much more. We should push boundaries and explore and don't get stuck in a niche. Break the system, beat the system. All of us have to come together and reform the system. I think that is currently the problem with the hip hop scene.
Annie, every hip hop artist have a message or a kind of a brand. What is yours?
Well, you're absolutely right. Everybody has like a brand, a niche, within the hip hop industry as well. And I think my niche and my brand is just reiterating everything that I've learned from my parents, my teachers, and hardworking people around me. I always say that I don't want to make music that gets played at parties. I want to make music that you listen to at a party and want to go back home and start working. Because I feel like music isn't something that I want to be popular, in the sense that my music, I don't want it to be popular. I don't want it to become pop culture. I just want to really express what I've learned. So 10 years later, if I forget what I had learned today, I can listen to the song I made and remember and reteach myself what I had learned. So my goal with music is making a time capsule that I can listen to later and learn all the good things that I am exposing myself to, and hopefully my children or my next of kin, whoever it is, my sister's children, whoever listens to it and goes, well, okay, this is something that I can learn from. I want that in my music.
This looks like an answer from a hip hop star. Well done.
You've asked really some really thought-provoking questions, and I'm glad that I did this. Honestly, it was a lot of fun.
अभी after all this एक performance तो end में बनता है. So let's hear it from Annie again.
Yeah. क्या डॉन है तू, शतरंज के खेल में मेरे पॉन है तू, गॉन है तू, ले सैक्रिफाइस, फेंक तेरी बोली बड़े ढांचों का साइज, तू बस सपने दिखाएगा, दिन अच्छे गिनाएगा, आग लगाकर खुद की रोटी फुलाएगा, नहीं बीट मैच बनाएगा, गाना भी गाएगा, जो भी घर लाएगा खुद से कमाएगा या खुद से गवाएगा, इंटरनेट पे नहीं तो VIT में अपना गाना मचाएगा, इंटरनेट पे नहीं क्या, इंटरनेट पे नहीं तो आज नहीं तो कल तेरा भाई सारा इंटरनेट पे नहीं तो से चलाएगा. भी सही है, बातें गहरे जैसे खाइए रिपीट, पर सुन दे रे मर्ज की दवाई है, एक ही तो बेकार सी जिंदगी ये पाइए, चल नाचते भाई. भी सही है बाबा, बीट भी सही है, बीट भी सही है बाबा, बीट भी सही है, किसी और की हार मेरी जीत भी तो नहीं है, बीट भी सही है बाबा, बीट भी सही है, बीट भी सही है बाबा, बीट भी सही है, किसी और की हार मेरी जीत भी तो नहीं है. In English, please. I'm telling you. Everybody's got a story to tell. Everybody's got a soul to sell. Everybody's trying to find a part that's missing. Every rapper trying to find a beat that listens. But I lock myself in my room till the poetry in my mind gets my musical attention. Pen to the pad, make it sweat, build tension. This is all my work, nobody gets a mention. Kill a part of myself when I murder the beat. Calling thoughts independent would be deceit. Cause Leibniz said a few tight-knit thoughts build every complex tale the man plots. Think about it. Hey. Stories are made out of villains and heroes. This bar and spin and this beat that I'm ripping is a complex sequence of ones and zeros. Beat भी सही है बाबा, beat भी सही है, beat भी सही है, बातें गहरे जैसे खाई है रिपीट, पर सुन दे रे मर्ज की दवाई है, एक ही तो बेकार सी जिंदगी है, पाइए चल नाचते भाई. बीट भी सही है बाबा, बीट भी सही है, बीट भी सही है बाबा, बीट भी सही है, किसी और की हार मेरी जीत भी तो नहीं है, बीट भी सही है बाबा, बीट भी सही है, बीट भी सही है बाबा, बीट भी सही है, किसी और की जीत मेरी जीत भी तो नहीं है. कौन है तू, क्या डॉन है तू, शतरंज के खेल में मेरे पॉन है तू, गॉन है तू, ले सैक्रिफाइस, फेंक तेरी बोली बड़े ढांचों का साइज, तू बस सपने दिखाएगा, दिन अच्छे गिनाएगा.
नाचते भाई. वापसी